beat niggas up. You don't got beat up. Not beat up. You know what I'm saying? That's a tough sport.
That's a fact.
Nigga, when is enough enough? The fuck you gonna keep sitting there? I'm good. I can do other shit.
Right time.
Do some. This is what because the goal is. This is what you gotta understand. The goal is do what you have to do to get to a point where you don't have to do it.
Exactly.
It's just like, what are we
At a
talking
reasonable
about?
age.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Do this shit. I did this shit for years. How many years? I don't have to do this shit no more. I want to keep doing this shit.
I love down there. Whoever send us love.
That's a beautiful record, man. A beautiful record.
Welcome.
Huh?
Appreciate y'all. Word.
You know the vibe is the word. Live on every platform, streaming. What's the word? We streaming on every live platform. Tap in.
We on Facebook. We on YouTube. You feel me? Instagram.
Everywhere, right?
We everywhere.